Hey everyone! Julie here, and I'm super stoked to share the recipe for this delicious vegan passion fruit mousse, a dessert bursting with tropical vibes. But before we get cooking, do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with all your friends who love a good vegan treat. Let's jump into it. Here are the ingredients. First up, you'll need a cup of cashews. Don't forget to soak them for at least 4 hours to get that perfect creamy texture. Then, give them a good drain and rinse. In the blender, toss in those soaked cashews, half a cup of coconut milk, a third cup of passion fruit juice, a quarter cup of maple syrup or agave, a tablespoon of melted coconut oil, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Now, blend until you've got an incredibly creamy mixture. Sneak a taste here and there, this combo is simply divine. After ensuring your mix is silky smooth, pour it into individual bowls and toss it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. The longer, the better, trust me, it gets firmer and more delicious. And there you have it. Your vegan passion fruit mousse is ready to be enjoyed. Top it off with some passion fruit pulp or coconut shavings for that extra touch. I'm sure this dessert will win over hearts, so go ahead, give it a try, and share this burst of flavors with your loved ones. If you enjoyed it, show some love by hitting the like button, subscribing, and sharing this video with everyone you know. Until the next delicious recipe. See ya!